You know you don't have to go every day, don't you?
Why so early? It's not like the market's going anywhere.
In this kind of weather? It's a joke, right? Good one, though.
It's been 30 years, Stephen. You don't need this. Just take a nap.
We know you are tired. Just sit him in front of the TV. You deserve some me time.
Now this is just lunacy! After all we've been through? Can't we skip? Just this time. Shut up, legs.
It doesn't matter who you are or what you ride, as long as you ride on. Skoda, proud supporter of cyclists worldwide and official partner of Tour de France.